In this guide, we'll show you how to set up and record your microphone in OBS Studio. If this helps, consider subscribing and liking the video. Recording your microphone in OBS is straightforward once you know where the correct settings are. First, open OBS Studio on your computer. You'll land on the main interface. Next, look at the bottom right corner and click on Settings. If you don't see it there, you can also go to File is greater than Settings. When the Settings window opens, use the left-hand menu and select the Audio tab. In this section, find Global Audio Devices, then locate the option labeled Mic Auxiliary Audio. By default, it may be disabled. Click the drop-down menu and select the microphone you want to use. For example, if you're using a USB microphone, it should appear in the list. Choose your device such as Realtek Audio or your specific mic name. After selecting it, click Apply, then OK to save your settings. Now return to the main OBS window and check the audio mixer panel, and your microphone should now appear there. Speak into your mic and observe the audio meter if the green bars move. OBS is successfully detecting your voice. You can also adjust your microphone volume by dragging the slider in the mixer to get the right input level.